name itself, Bangsamoro Airways, is already a source of pride and honor of BARM people, of BARM government. That's why we are thankful for the people behind this Bangsamoro Airways for the support in the improvement and development of BARM areas. So we consider that as a remarkable milestone. Congratulations, Bangsamoro Airways. With that, we would like to welcome everyone to this momentous event of ferry flight of Bangsamoro Airways. Sulong Bangsamoro.
Personally, I am much elated. This was a dream, or this is a dream. A name, Bangsamoro, conquering the skies and taking BARM to a greater heights is a very laudable and appreciable effort.
So everything that you see right now is going to be an evolution of airways designed for the growth of the Bangsamoro region.
Because at the end of the day, Bangsamoro Airways will never fly if you don't fly. Just give us the support, tell us, we are willing to listen. We are working very closely with all related agencies, because for us, the agenda is very simple. Let us take Bangsamoro to greater heights.
And with that, I would just like to give you thanks and praise for everything that had been given to us. It's a long, long journey for us, but this journey will be participated by us and you. On behalf of the group, on behalf of Madam Johari, Ma'am Carmencita, and all of the guys here, maraming salamat po sa pagtanggap nyo sa amin. It's really an honor for us to serve you.